this is Mindy, and today I'm going to show you how to use Epsom salt for a greener garden. Now, Epsom salt is magnesium sulfate, and magnesium is a very important element for plants. They utilize that when they're getting ready to bloom. So if you have plant material that blooms and you want to increase bloom production, add magnesium sulfate or Epsom salt to your garden soil. Now, there's no real set formula as far as how much Epsom salt to add. You can place it in a watering can and add it to your garden space, dilute it down with water. You can add it to the soil when you're creating a garden space, or you can just sprinkle it on top of the soil when you know rain is going to be coming in. There's no worry about it as far as applying too much magnesium sulfate or Epsom salt to your soil because it does not build up in the soil. The process is pretty simple. You choose your location. You take your Epsom salt that you can get in a drugstore, and you just simply sprinkle it along the garden. Now, if there's not going to be any rain coming in, make sure that you water in the magnesium sulfates so that your plant material can absorb it.